Welcome to Professional Training Institute. What is C programming language? C is a general-purpose, imperative computer programming language, supporting structured programming, lexical variable scope and recursion, while a static type system prevents. Why C? It is the most popular language in worldwide. Easy to learn. C compilers generate efficient object code. C is very. Let us look at a simple example to print hello. Description of the program. Benefits of joining us: we will help you until you get job. We will keep giving you guidance, project, interview help and tips. We will do many mock interview to help you. Our HR manager will dedicatedly work for our student placement until they get job. We help our student in soft skills. Thanks for watching. Visit us for more information.